Hello everyone, welcome back to Charlie's Garage. I just saw this as I was browsing YouTube and I kind of wanted to point something out for you guys. I know a lot of you may have come across my channel and subscribed and watched my videos due to the content about the 68 Mustang. And lately, most of my videos have been about diesels and diesel training, which honestly is kind of the main point of the channel. But I did come across this channel. This guy is doing this build on this 66 Mustang and has a bunch of great videos on his channel. And if you're into classic cars and you're wanting to see more videos like the ones I did on my Mustang, this would be the perfect place for you to find some. He's building this thing from the ground up and it looks like he's doing a great job. So this is the channel Widebody Joker, and this is just one of the many videos he has about how he prevented his overheating issues. A little bit different than the path I had to take to fix mine, but very, very interesting video. So Widebody Joker, I would check him out, subscribe to him, give him some help getting his channel up off the ground, because it's some really good info in here. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to mine if you haven't already.